Hey everyone, it's Nicole from YesStyle, and today we're doing a cruelty-free skincare routine. Keep watching if you want to check it out. So we'll start off our cruelty-free skincare routine with a sheet mask. So this is Heimish's low pH hydrating sheet mask, which has a pH of 5.5, which is around the pH level that healthy skin should be at. Formulated with Centella asiatica as well as other plant extracts to soothe and hydrate the skin, also with Aqua XL, which is Heimish's patented technology, which helps your skin to retain and boost its own natural hyaluronic acid. So we'll leave this mask on for about 10 to 20 minutes, however much time we have. You don't want to leave your sheet mask on too long. You want it to be still damp when you take it off. So after our sheet mask, we're going to apply our essence, and this is Coop's Raw Sauce, which is 93% Acer maple water. And this isn't a super watery essence, it's very thick. She's thick. And this is going to seal in the hydration as a natural humectant, which is going to pull water to our skin. It's also a great way to prep for the rest of our skincare routine. So next up is our serum, and this is the plant-based, their Ceramide serum. And this is formulated with rice ceramide as well as niacinamide to brighten the skin. This is really, really gentle as a blemish treatment, but more importantly, it helps to strengthen the skin barrier for really strong, healthy skin. This is amazing for all skin types since it feels really thick, but it's actually weightless on the skin. The last step in our routine is the Huxley Cream Fresh and More. This ultra lightweight moisturizer is formulated with cactus seed oil, hyaluronic acid, plus more ceramides. This non-comedogenic gel cream is great for all skin types. If you're a little bit on the drier side, you might want to add an oil on top, but if you're normal to oily, you will love this for every season. And we're done. We've completed the last step of our cruelty-free skincare routine.